Hello honey buns and welcome back to the rabbit hole. Today I got another unboxing video for you guys and I got a pretty big load. Okay, so everything's covered up. I don't have to censor. Alright, cool. I am going to use this little knife to cut open. What kind of tape? I'm gonna be right back. While I zoom through this quick box opening scene, I want to mention the dust. Right before filming, I removed a really old shelf that had been in the corner of my room for about the last 8 or so years. So yeah, the dust you see isn't an added sparkle effect, it's just dust. Although I do have to admit, it makes the video look kind of pretty. Oh, I'm just weak. Okay. Oh, this is big. Also, by the time this video is out, my next big Lolita haul has already arrived, and I'll talk more about that at the end of this video. Alright, it's open. Okay. It is my Lyra Ivory dress, I'm assuming. I got a lot of items this time around, so let's see how fast we can get through all this. Ooh. Oh, okay. It came with its own, I'm assuming, ooh, protective bag. Okay, cool. That's nice. I've been meaning to get some of these actually because I have no way of protecting all these dresses I keep getting. Oh, okay. Came with a spare button. Nice. Okay. Protective bag. Going to keep you right there. Alright, since there's no shelf in the corner, I'm throwing all the extra stuff in the corner now. Oh, it came with cute buttons. This is going with my little eat-a bag. Alright. And hanger. Oh yeah. This is the broken hanger. But I already knew it was going to be broken. It would have been so cute. Maybe I can super glue it back together. It does seem like it was just a very flimsy hanger though. I used SuperBuy this time to get all these goods. And they take pictures of all their items before they ship it to you, so I already knew it's gonna be broken. Oh, and it came with a card. Oh. So yeah, it's this dress. Okay. And yeah, it's got waffles all over it. It's the love of waffles. Or love for waffles. Love of waffles? I have to check. But yeah, it's covered in little waffles and there's like a hidden waffle on here with like an Easter egg. I'll find it when I try. Oh, there it is. Okay, never mind. I found it. It's got like a little cat on it. I'll probably zoom in later. But yeah, it's the love of waffles dress. It's my IHOP dress. Okay, I can see through the bag a little. It's one of my tights or stockings. Alrighty, let's check this out. It's got a cute print on it. Trash goes back there. That's the trash corner now. Until I put a new shelf there at least. Okay, so these are some cute print tights that I got that I will try on with my next dress, I'm assuming. Yeah, these are the ones that go with the next dress. Yeah. And I think these are my Red Maria tights. which I'm super excited about because they went with one of the dresses I got in this haul. Once again, it comes with a cute little card. Alright. Alright. Wait, when I'm opening these, I can show you guys later. Oh, these are super soft though. Okay, I can't wait to show these off. I can't wait to show you guys these. Okay. Put that back or take it out because it's not going back in. Let's see. Oh, okay, wait. These are the wrist cuffs for my next dress. Okay. They have this cute little strawberry detail on them. Okay, this is a really nice fabric. I like this. Okay. Okay, they put this in a really big bag, but it's the headband for the next dress. And let's see. This is becoming my favorite brand, I'm pretty sure. Because they make a lot of fairy tale things, like a fairy tale theme things. And a lot of sweet Lolita. It's Milu Forest. Milu? Elk Forest. And yeah, it's got a cute little Snow White card so you can kind of tell what they do. Next unboxing, or a part of it, a piece of it. This is for my cord for my next unboxing. This is the Doris Knight blouse. It's the first item to make it to the warehouse, and there's the purple stain. So yeah, probably talk about that one next time. Oh, this is super soft. This is really soft. Okay, this isn't gonna go with anything I got today. I'll try it on next video. Okay, SuperBuy has been the greatest discovery I made so far, and I do not regret what I got, and this is the lace.
Here's all the lace I purchased. Link to the shop will be left in the description below, along with everything else in today's video.
They managed to get the purse in there. Okay, I almost forgot about it. Okay, so this is the heart-shaped waffle purse to go with the Lyra Ivory waffle dress that I just got. It was the last one in stock, so I was happy to get it, but unfortunately the headbands that went with the dress were already gone. This bag has a pretty decent amount of space. I don't know if you guys can see inside, but yeah. Yeah. Okay, this is cute though. This is actually really cute. Okay. Okay, here's the last item in the box. Here's the last item for my unhaul. My Lolita haul video. And it is the Milu Forest dress. I've been waiting for this for a while now. And it's finally here. Okay, I'm gonna show you guys what all these look like I always do. And yeah, it's pretty soft so far. Okay. Okay, I'm loving all the detail on this. I'm loving all the detail on this. I really love this print. It's like dessert themed. So yeah, the theme for this unboxing was Sweet Lolita. The first one was waffles, and this one has like desserts everywhere. And I can't wait to wear this out. Okay. Woohoo! Alright. Let's try these on.
On to the fashion show. I purchased 2 pairs of socks in this haul. The white print Ruby Rabbit tights are nice, however they are not made to last. Whatever material was used in this print is not very durable. As you can see, it even got stuck to the packaging. Listen to this. In some spots I can already see where the ink has peeled away. The fabric around the print is super soft and very thin, but the area where the print is pretty rough on the legs. I would only recommend Ruby Rabbit stockings like this if there's a certain print you're looking for. Ruby Rabbit makes a lot of other products and different kinds of socks, so I'm not going to base my entire view of their brand on this one pair of socks. I'd give the overall quality of this product a 6 out of 10. Red Maria makes some pretty high quality socks. When worn, these mint socks look more like a light sky blue color, so they don't quite match the mint tone of the Milu OP I got. It's something that I feel is only noticeable up close, so let me know what you guys think because I would really love to cord these tights with that dress. I learned that Sax Blue and Mint are just difficult colors to match in Lolita fashion because it varies across brands and products. Nonetheless, I really love the print and I think the quality is fantastic. The fabric is soft and thick enough that I don't believe it'll easily rip. Overall, I give these socks a 10 out of 10. This is the Strawberry Feast OP by Milu Forest. I bought this OP because I fell in love with the desserts on the print and I thought it'd be the perfect dress for my first tea party. I mean, look at this. The vibrant colors, the crisp print, the 4K quality image. Where was I? Oh yeah. I really love the small details like the spoon and the fork on the headband. There's also a cute strawberry charm on the headband as well as one on each matching wrist cuff. Everything arrived in fantastic condition. I didn't find a single loose thread. I would recommend Milu Forest for people looking for sweet and fairy tale dresses and blouses. However, if you decide to buy from this shop, do be mindful of the measurements because there is no stretch to this chiffon fabric whatsoever. That being said, I'd give the quality of this dress a 9 out of 10 because of the lack of flexibility and a zipper makes it a little difficult to put on. This dress does have a JSK version if you guys are interested in that one. This is the Love of Waffles JSK by Lyra Ivory. There are 2 versions of this JSK, and I chose the one with ruffle sleeves. The line quality of the print isn't as crisp as the Milu Forest dress. It isn't quite 4K, maybe 1080. Regardless, the print is still clear and the colors are very vibrant. The fabric used on the outside of the dress is very soft and light. The fabric used in the inside is different, but it's hard to describe. It's still soft, and it's still light, but it feels more like an umbrella texture. The dress has partial shearing on the back as well as 2 deep pockets that can easily fit these modern day bricks that we call phones. I purchased the matching bag separately. You guys know my love of unique bags. The bag itself is made of a very soft, squishy material. The matching headbands were completely sold out in all colorways, but I plan on making my own accessories. All in all, I believe this fun little dress deserves a 10 out of 10. Here are my Coord boards for these 2 dresses. There isn't much to add to the Milu Forest cord because I purchased the matching wrist cuffs and headband. I'm going to try to pair the mint Red Maria socks with the pair of white heels I ordered and see how it turns out. As for the Lyra Ivory JSK, I found a couple of beige blouses that I think will look awesome with it. For reference, the blouses are about the same color as the blouse on the model, and I plan on pairing it with brown shoes and a pair of beige socks. I'm going to make my own jewelry for both cords. I took a close friend's recommendation and switched from using Taobao Resellers to using a shopping service. The shopping service I've been using is SuperBuy. Signing up and using SuperBuy is completely free. They provide 3 free photos of every product you purchase and do a quality inspection for each item. If they find anything wrong, they'll let you know before storing it in the warehouse. They'll also help you with exchanging and returning the products if needed. I didn't exchange the blouse because the purple stain was pretty small and not worth the time it takes to exchange. That's why I knew the white blouse was stained before it arrived. SuperBuy provides a lot of services that I'll probably cover in a different video. I ship my items using EMS. EMS is experiencing some delays due to the pandemic, so my packages didn't arrive as quickly as they had using DHL. My package took about 3 weeks to get here, and the usual estimated shipping time was between 10 and 15 days. Once it arrived in the US, it took about 2 days to arrive at my house, which tells me a lot of packages are currently being held up in customs. Keep that in mind if you plan on using EMS to ship your packages anytime soon. That's all I have for today, honey buns. All the shops are linked in the description below. I recently received my $400 Taobao haul, so expect another unboxing video soon. If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to drop a like and poke that little subscribe button for more Lolita related content. This series will not just be unboxing videos, I have plans for other content. I'm working on a short navigating Taobao video for people who don't want to make a Taobao account like myself. I'm also working on multiple Taobao recommendation videos since I've compiled a list of at least 80 or so Taobao brands worth checking out. I hope you guys have a fantastic day and thanks for watching. Bye-bye!